There are reasons why people call it popcorn, whatever. पनीर होगा, चिकन होगा, टोफू होगा, कॉलीफ्लावर होगा, मशरूम्स होंगे, whatever. For me, because after you crumble it, fried, लोग sometimes they add cornmeal, sometimes they add breadcrumbs, but it kind of looks like popcorn. हाँ बिल्कुल. मैंने सोचा popcorn whatever में, in this case popcorn पनीर में, popcorn तो जाना ही चाहिए. Let's start popping. तो पहले store bought popcorn, okay, बटर का फ्लेवर, बेस्ट फ्लेवर, okay, इसमें डाल दिया हमने. So let the popcorn do its job. In the meanwhile, हम इसे छोटे से क्यूब्स में काट देते हैं, ओके. तो अगर आप डेयरी नहीं खाते हो, दूध से आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस हो, वीगन हो, टोफू, कॉलीफ्लावर, मशरूम्स, इससे रेसिपी बनेगी. नॉन वेज पसंद करते हो, माशाल्लाह, यू कैन डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट. प्रॉन्स, चिकन, लैम्ब, बीफ बिट्स, पोर्क बेली, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज वी नीड टू मेक अ काइंड ऑफ a very light kind of marination, which I'm going to do it together along with my batter. Okay, 2-in-1 type. Here I'm going to be using some besan, यानी कि chickpea flour for my batter. मुझे intentionally ये gluten free बनानी है. उसके साथ हम डालेंगे इसमें ginger garlic paste. फिर I'm going to be adding a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to be using a bit of red chili powder, some fresh oregano. Dry भी आजकल मिलते हैं. I mean dry ही मिलते हैं. आजकल मुझे fresh मिल गया तो I'm using that. We have some lovely fresh parsley which I'm going to be adding into the popcorn paneer. You want to add some dhania to make it like a very very Indian style, तो वो भी कर सकते हो. So this is like almost like a mix which I'm doing. Okay, a popcorn is getting there, and then I'm also adding a little bit of bicarbonate of soda, okay, into this. और फिर उसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा पानी. इसको अभी हम whisk कर देते हैं. So you're not looking for a very very thick batter, not a very really thin batter. The idea is to just coat your paneer in this, okay? इसको अभी हम wow, butter. So we just got to give this a little whisk, okay? The reason why we are making this is that पनीर की जो marination भी होती है at the same time it gives a really nice coating to the paneer. Now because of this coating, it helps the breadcrumb and the popcorn mixture to stick together. और उसके बाद fry, bake, air fry, whatever you want. But आज frying का mood है, बारिश का मौसम है, I'm having a blast. You know, चाय हो रही है, पकौड़ियाँ हो रही है, popcorn भी हो जाए अभी. Lovely. So इसको हम literally marinate कर रहे हैं इसके साथ. It's going to get a nice coating. Okay, the besan is going to stick to the paneer. The flavors are going to imbibe into it. Brilliant. अभी next, I think हमारी popcorn ready है because I can't hear any more pop, pop, pop. No. देख ले. Are you ready to watch? Here we go. Beautiful popcorn done. So the idea is that we actually put these in right into this. Perfecto. When all this is happening, why don't we get the oil going in here? And I'm going to be actually frying this in some really nice Imami's healthy and tasty soybean oil. Perfect for frying. What I really love about Imami healthy and tasty is that there is minimum absorption. यानी कि तेल नहीं पकड़ता है, तेल नहीं पीता है as we say. And after frying that, you'll notice, wow, it's beautiful and it's got a very neutral flavor. It's versatile with everything. So इसको अभी हम थोड़ा सा blend कर देते हैं. Chakas! Popcorn ready. Now we're going to be mixing our popcorn. Beautiful into this. Popcorn को चूर बना दिया हमने, चूर. Give this a nice mix. Beautiful. So we have paneer here, which I'm going to be dropping it right here. So we're just going to lightly toss this with our popcorn and panko breadcrumb mixture. बिल्कुल इसी तरह. और फिर तेल हमारा काफी गर्म हो गया है. ओके, लेट्स लुक. यस, अभी ये बबल हो रहा है, यानी कि रेडी हो गया है. एंड नाउ लेट्स ड्रॉप आवर पॉपकॉर्न इनसाइड. ब्यूटीफुल, नाइस, क्रंची वंची पॉपकॉर्न हमारा रेडी हो गया. Beautiful. When you're frying, you have to make sure that you're preheating your oil till it's hot. But once you're ready to fry, you turn it down. But the oil has to be on a medium-high flame in order to get a really nice crunchy product which is not oily. Okay? Take that as a hack. So you can see now we've got this lovely kurkure, crunchy, wunchy popcorn paneer ready. Yeah. So now for plating, I suggest a nice basket. Okay. This is just a serving suggestion to you. There's many ways that you can serve this. ये मेरी style है. I love doing this. You know, I love looking after people. I love entertaining people. I love what I do, basically. Mind blowing. Sriracha sauce, easily available. Hot, spicy, garlicky, chili, sweet, sour. Boom, that's all you need. Here you go. I hope you really enjoyed this popcorn paneer recipe. I'm sure you must have seen lots of them on the internet. But you know what? Try kar lo, share kar lo. I know you like it. Until then, bon appetito.